What is up, you guys? Welcome to Jurassic Park. Nah, I'm playing. Welcome back to another morning commute. Let's get this thing started. And apologize to all my neighbors. I'm so sorry. Oh, this thing is sick. I got some little chicken strips on here, but you can see what the mountain run did to the sides of the tire. Alright, let's get going. You know, I joked about the Cretaceous period, but it kind of feels like I'm in it right now. It is hot, muggy, and foggy this morning. Man, old people always give me like dirty looks toward this thing. It's just a bright red Ducati. What's the hate? But yeah, it is like sticky outside. I don't know how else to put it. But it's so muggy. It's 71 degrees at 7 in the morning, so it's quite an experience, I'll put it that way. But this afternoon's supposed to be, I think, 94 or 96, so the ride home is going to be pretty darn toasty. We're cruising in sport mode this morning because I'm just relaxing, but I'm sure that'll switch here soon. Getting a little more comfortable on these tires now that they're fully broken in. Woohoo! Look at the fog. It literally feels like something out of, I don't know, Jurassic Park. It just looks eerie. I said in the beginning I'm not in that much of a rush. I'm taking it easy. I actually didn't realize I am a little bit on the late side. So you know what that means. Race mode. So we might be a little aggressive on the back roads today due to, well, tiny bit late. Ooh, a Honda Insight. That's cool. Waiting to hit one with my bike. Alright, let's see. Good? Alright. So Kevin and I were talking about our favorite engine configurations, and I think after owning a V4, this is by far my favorite engine configuration. Inline 4s are smooth, and you get the high revs, but you don't get the torque. V2s and maybe cross-plane parallel twins, you get the torque, but you don't necessarily get the top end. But the V4 is a perfect blend of top end and the torque down low. And the sound is just like nothing else either. So I think it's the perfect engine. It'd be cooler to see a bigger V4 in like a car or something. I just don't know how economic that would be. Like instead of an inline 4, I feel like this would be a pretty cool power plant. However, I think it's too complex. Inline 4s are just so easy. There's less components. There's one head. These, you're already overcomplicating it with two heads. Two valve trains. Woo! What the okay. Situational awareness, everybody. I was planning on just ditching it in the field. But when you have to look straight ahead when you're riding, that gave me goosebumps. You have to pay attention. If you are not paying attention to your surroundings, you die. That's how it works. And yes, I know I braked super early, but you know what? I'd rather prep for that stuff than become a victim of it. I am, ooh, that got my skin crawling. I think I'm going to take that as a sign to kind of relax a little bit. I think one of the most beneficial things about taking either a motorcycle class or just having the years of experience while riding and attempting to improve as you're riding, not just riding to ride, really leads to almost an unmatched situational awareness. And I'm not saying that I'm the best at whatever, because I'm really not, but I will say even when I'm driving, my motorcycling has impacted the way that I look around me. So I have a 360 view all the time in my mirrors, forward, sides, to know what exactly is going on around me. And I want to be able to be as in control as I can be. You are still in complete disarray if, you know, other people's actions cause something. However, you can at least prep yourself just in case that does happen. We had the deer, we had that car. It's just being aware. And you can say, yes, going too fast for conditions can definitely is probably the cause of most wrecks, but also experience helps a ton in preventing such occurrences. Heck, we're going on 9 years of riding consistently. So I won't say that I've seen it all, but I've definitely had my fair share of obstacles to swerve around. Yeah, go ahead. Always cover your brakes. Can't guarantee anybody sees you. As dumb as that sounds. I'm on a bright red Ducati and people sometimes do not see me. And a lot of people ask why I didn't get the black Street Fighter, because the black Street Fighter does look cool. One, I had a bike with matte paint before. Not a good idea. Taking care of matte paint sucks. You gotta get some specific cleaning stuff for it. It never shines. It's just kind of a pain in the butt. Two, people don't see you. I learned that. My previous motorcycles I've owned have been gray and, you know, black, all these darker colors. I wanted something that pops. So, worst case, if they don't hear me, which they should, then they should see me, which they still don't. But it can at least help. Bright red, like, it stands out against most environments. Like grass, road especially. It just amazes me at how disassociated people get when they drive, where they're just basically on autopilot and pay zero attention to their surroundings. Don't you guys worry, we're gonna hit the highway here pretty soon, and we'll get our little daily event, because I doubt I'm gonna get it otherwise. I don't think my bike likes this weather either. The unfortunate part is it's only gonna get hotter. It says it went down a little bit because we went through the back roads here, but it's 69 degrees it says. But like I mentioned earlier, it's supposed to be 94 to 96 as a high today. So tune in for the next video, because that'll be, well, maybe not the next video, but the one after that. I like doing the Monday videos on this thing, you know, commuting. But tune into that video for me probably sweating my ass off and hating life. But you know what? The morning commute's fun. I thought the fog was going to be a lot worse, so we're going to count our wins for now. I just hope one of these people don't go left. We're good. We're good. Yes. Perfect. Let's get a little one in here. On the brakes. Dang, that's fun. Alright, let's get another run in. Well, I don't want to wake the trucker up, so let's get past him first. Daily event is complete. What a fun freaking bike. You'll probably think I'm nuts when I do that, but it's so much fun. Oh, of course this guy's going left. That's fine. Sound check. Woo! You hear those pops. Nice. Ooh, a Raptor. A new Raptor. Has a little sticker on the top left for the temp tag. They're temp registration, whatever. That van does too. Is everybody buying freaking cars nowadays at 18% interest rates? Jeez. Must be nice being rich. But now it's actually pretty nice because we'll just cruise the rest of the way to work. Got my little fun in, got my daily event in. Now we just gotta put on the cruise control. Yeah, nice cruise control. It's weird, the inputs are opposite when you have your hand like this. You push to move right. Sir, will you be kind and let a motorcyclist by? Please. I'm not tailgating you, but I do kind of want to go by you. No? Okay. I'll just sulk back here behind. Sir, you are not even in the lane, dude. What are you doing, dude? It's called the right lane for a reason. Right lane, you're not passing people. You were barely passing people, you should not do that. Again, right lane, no pass. Left lane, pass. Not that hard. I'm trying to, I don't want you guys to think this is just a big negative video. I'm still having a good time. Any time on this bike is always fun. I'm still very glad I rode today. The fog ended up not being anything to worry about. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching as always. I'll catch you on the next one.